Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Ethiopia using Remitly. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your account and then you want to click on Manage at the bottom. From here, you want to choose Sending to and change this to Ethiopia. So scroll through and there we go. Choose Ethiopia. After that, you want to click Send at the bottom. Then from here, all you have to do is just choose the amount that you're sending. Let's say, for example, $100. Then you want to click continue. On the next page, just choose the delivery method. Let's say, for example, bank deposit. Then from here, you want to choose your recipient's bank. Let's say, for example, a commercial bank. Then on the next page, just simply put in the recipient's bank details. And once done, just go ahead and click continue and follow the next prompt. And that should be it. Now you know how to transfer money to Ethiopia using Remitly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.